Hey, great people. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. This is said. We are now live on YouTube. Just ensure you move to YouTube. We are now live on YouTube. Okay. I hope you guys are doing great. How was yesterday? How did things go? Morning for those who are early in the morning in your time frame, and evening to some of you too. So right now, we are live on YouTube. Ensure you jump on YouTube right now, right now, right now. So my YouTube people, how are you doing? This is me once again. So let me pause here the live here on TikTok briefly. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing awesome. I hope you are doing awesome. Yeah. So hope you're doing awesome. Now, we are still moving. So join YouTube to get the what we are doing right now. Join YouTube. So for my YouTube family, I'm expecting right now gold to possibly give something like a bullish impression. That's what I'm looking for right now. But at the back of my mind, I think that there's a possibility of fast gold coming lower. That's just what's at the back of my mind. There's a possibility of gold retracing a bit lower, and then we push higher. That's why it had given a very nice trade there, but I'm just feeling before I see what to do. So let's just continue watching. Let's just see what will happen at the end of the day. So I'll be, if you're here on TikTok, just click the link on my bio and join the YouTube icon on my bio and join YouTube right now. Okay, on my TikTok bio and join YouTube. So I'm expecting something like a manipulation of these laws, and then we continue up. Okay. So that's what I'm thinking about what gold can do. So if you're on TikTok, if you want to see everything clearly, move to YouTube Live right now. You'll be able to see what's going on. Yeah, yeah. So I think possibly it cannot move directly like just like that. Just according to me, possibly you can be waiting for something like retracement briefly, and the market will tap that fair value gap, and then we continue up. Okay. Yeah. So guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you have not joined YouTube, I'm sure you do that right now because I will be closing this TikTok live shortly so that we continue with YouTube. Okay, so that's it. I think we still need to wait. We still need to wait because I think this market can retrace down. I think gold still, I just want to give it some time. Sometimes, some few minutes, I see how it is going to behave before maybe we click a trade. Okay, before we click a trade there. So my YouTube channel, just go and click or type at Ed Traders on YouTube. You'll be able to get me, or click the YouTube icon on my bio because that's where we'll be sharing the signal, the gold buy or sell signal. it will be on YouTube. Yeah, let me know in the chat what you guys are thinking. What's popping? What's popping, guys? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? I can see chats are flowing on TikTok. Yeah, it's on TikTok now. Okay, Instagram. Let's see what's happening here. Let's check. Yeah, I can see this. Hmm. Yeah. Right now, live on YouTube. Right now, live on YouTube. Any other social media platform? If you're on any other social media platform, move right now to YouTube. Move right now to YouTube. Okay. I'll be closing all those live shortly. Taran, tararan, tan, 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 tan. Yep. So we watch on gold. You know, gold yesterday pushed down very strongly, and it is proving the weekly. It is proving the weekly template at the end of the week. You know, we wanted a retracement up, beat up before it crashes down, but it seems gold. It reacted to a daily fair value gap, something of that sort, and then yesterday it crashed. After we have bought, then around that point is that where, but we got all the TPs. There were around 40 TPs. We were able to capture everything, which is quite awesome. So we see today again what the market is going to give us. But I think those bullish candle going up can possibly be something like a manipulation. I think gold again can revisit the lows, and that's the point where we can be able to get a trade. So the most important thing is patience. We just wait to see what's happening. For those who are in TikTok and any other social media platform, ensure you go to YouTube right now so that you'll be able to talk there. Okay, YouTube. So let's just watch what's going to happen. Although I'm thinking the market, today I'm bearish. Generally, today I'm bearish. I think the market possibly can go up, do something like a bit of a retracement, and then after that we can push a bit lower. Okay, so we can see if in case the market on the going bullish does not behave, we can just decide, or we can decide to, yeah, we can decide to do what? I think we can decide just to wait for the sells. As simple as that. We can decide to wait for the sells, because for today, I think today the real trade is selling. And this thing, if we are trading upside, it will be something like a pullback, okay? But at least I want to see something like a manipulation. These lows you are seeing here to be taken first, and then after that, the market continue with the bearish impression. With it scalp to the bullish side, and then we continue briefly to the sell side. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking right now on gold. And if in case there's any other instrument, probably that will be able to give us an entry, that will be quite awesome. That will be quite amazing. Yeah, so for those who are on YouTube, if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe. For those who are on TikTok and whatever, just ensure you follow me, so that every time we trade together, you'll be able to capture my move. It's all about live trading, doing analysis together and trading together. Okay, it's all about trading together. Yeah, so you can see those candles coming in. Those are manipulative candles. I think they're the one that will be heading towards taking those lows. Okay, they will be taking those low. And I think even at that point, possibly this guy can give a scalp sell, although this candle has not ended, but I think the market can give a scalp sell here. Can get a scalp sell around that level. Yep. I'll see. Let's just check how those candles gonna close. Then we make our conclusion. Yeah, so let me close the TikTok live and let's go back to YouTube. Let's go back to YouTube. Let's go back to YouTube, guys. Okay. I'll be back on TikTok shortly, but let's now. I just want to focus on one place so we'll be able to do analysis. Well, okay. Let me close this live. Let me switch this one to subs only. So that we move there. Let's see. So we are waiting. This one can give us a scalp to the sell side possibly. That sell scalp. Yeah, that scalp to the sell side can help us to gauge what's really going on, okay? So we wait for that sell scalp down. If in case it will present the way we think, then we can maybe possibly try to play around with it, take it, and then, because what I think right now is going to happen, let's check the 15 minutes time frame. Let me check the 3 minutes time frame. I think this market will come to the lower side. You might see this market coming to grab the lows, okay? So that can be a sell scalp. Let me place that trade. Let me just scalp that one. Let me see whether I can scalp it. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, let me see whether I can place that sell scalp. Okay, let me check how it is presenting. So when we check the 15 minutes time frame, it is something like a doji that formed. A very strong doji that formed there. So let's go to something like 3 minutes. If you check the 3 minutes time frame, you can observe that we had a fair value gap up here. Okay, we had this fair value gap here. So possibly the market might use that fair value gap to briefly continue bearish. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so I think that one, you can see what to do concerning that. Okay, let me check again. Let's check. Now let's check something like, yeah, 3 minutes is doing well. 3 minutes is doing well. Let me check the 1 minute time frame. Let me just see what's popping here. Check how many pips will be that. Wait. Yeah, so let's see if we can take some sell scalp there. Crazy. So let's try to see this account that we started. Let's try to see how it's going to go. Okay. So you can see here I have $45 here. This is my Exness account. Let's check how this account can go. Whether we can take it to 100 plus. Okay. Let's just try to test it today on this live. Have placed that stop loss too tight, but let's just see. Now the question is, can it go to, can we take it to 100 plus? Let me remove that one. Yes, I think that one will be able to check. Let me just close that one first. We see the next. It's going to happen. Let me open the other accounts. I see whether we can place that one there too. So we want it to come up. We just want to see how this account is going to go. Okay. We'll just maybe scalp it as we go today. Someone is saying you are not hearing my voice. Are you not hearing me? Are you not seeing, for example, the account I've placed here, something of that sort? Can you see the account I'm scalping? What I'm doing here? There is a Exness account I've just placed now, right now here on the screen. It's around 45 USD account. I don't know whether you can be able to see that. Can you see? Let me know on the chat. Are you able to see everything I'm sharing? I'm sharing the chat, and then there's another account I brought on the side that we want to try to scalp to see what's popping. Let me know. I will not proceed unless maybe I hear from you, whether you can hear me or not. Can you hear me? I just can someone let me know so that I know we are together, guys. Let's check. Just let me know on the either on the YouTube live or something of that sort. Can you see the account? This account I'm sharing with you is around something like $40-something, $45, around $45 account. We want to scalp it and see what's. So I don't know whether you can hear me or not, but no problem. Let me just continue. You cannot see the Exness account. What's happening? Let me first share this trade first with my people there. How many of you cannot see what I'm doing? So this is scalping we are doing here. Guys, you cannot see the Exness account? I don't know. I don't know. What should I do now? I want to place it. I want to give it another space so that we can be able to see both accounts. We see the trade going on the account. At least I want to push it in case if it can go to something like 100 or whatever it is. We see. Let's place it to this, something of this sort. So let's watch how this guy's gonna behave. I don't know. There's an account I wanted us to check together here. Okay. Some of you have been asking, you say that you have small accounts, something of that sort. I just wanted to show you how maybe we can do the scalping live. Okay. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether you can see what I'm doing or not. Yeah, you can see what's happening with gold now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let it not come up with a week. Boys, 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 boys. You don't want it to come up with a week. You want it to continue just like that, baby. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see what's popping. We want it to take the low. We want it to manipulate the Asian law. In case if it does that. If it came up again, something like after 20 pips, this is scalping. Take it after some, maybe taking TP1, get out, okay? You can decide to move out of the way. Some few pips here and there. Now we are scalping it against the move because we want it at least briefly to go up before we go down. How can I share the account? I don't know what I can do. I don't know. Because I'm using this screen, I tried to share the other one. When I share the other one, the screen is not showing. So we might just maybe focus on only. I can see I speak is saying adjust volume. It's a bit low. Okay, no problem. I think the issue maybe was volume. So let me know if things are improving. Maybe the volume is becoming better. Just let me know. Just let me know. I thought you guys were able to see what I was doing, so I'm wondering. Taran tan taran tan 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 tan. Okay. I really wanted to place that account here so that you see how it is doing. Let me see how I can add the account here. Guys, like the live, guys. Like the live, guys. Like the live. If you have not subscribed, then you subscribe so that we'll be able to trade together. Okay? Like the live, guys. Show some love, my people. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Gold is doing that thing now. Gold is doing that thing now. Gold is doing that thing now. Gold is doing that thing now, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We see what's really happening here. Okay, let me go back to, that's 3 minutes. 3 minutes can lie to you. Let's go to one. Let's check. Yeah, that's the current 15-minute candle. Maybe the next one can form something like a week and then you continue, no? Tarira tan, tarira tan, tarira. Baby gold, let's go. Let's see what's popping gold. Yeah, gold is doing amazing. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Tarira tan 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 tan. Maybe you can check maybe the other time because I'm trying to share the account. It's not happening. I wanted at least to me to place that account live so that at least we scalp. Those who have a bit of a small account, you see how I'm handling that account. We are scalping it together, something of that sort here. But no problem. You'll do it as we usually do. I'll decide. Maybe the next session here on YouTube or on TikTok, we'll see. Bam, 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 bam. Let's keep going, guys. Tararan, 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 tararan. That is a nice profit there. That's a nice, nice, nice profit. That a nice profit. That's some nice profits. That's some nice profits there. That's some nice profits. So ensure you take something. Ensure you take something. That thing can bring a brief reversal, okay? You can grab some things and then leave the rest because TP1 is already hit. Okay? Can grab something and leave the rest to do whatever it's gonna do. Tan, tan, tan. So right now, gold is on more on the bearish side of the market. Gold is right now more bearish. So ensure you take the profit. Ensure you take the profit. Ensure you take the. It was a bit of more of a scalp. Okay, that green candle can continue moving up more. Okay, so ensure you take the profit. If it's give a re-entry, you'll get in again. Ensure you grab the profit. When it give a re-entry, you will be see how we approach it again. Grab something, grab something. That green candle is showing us a lot. Grab something, grab something, grab something. Take some profits, take some profits. Okay. We are in the, this is more of a scalping session. Okay. It can give a reversal fast. So let me remove this one first so that you know it is still in profit. So just let's wait first to see what's gonna pop up there. So guys, if you're around on this live, ensure you like the live. Ensure you like the live. I will appreciate. Ensure you like the live. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, guys, so that every single day we be around here trading together. Okay, this I've informed you that the market will do some retracement. So instead of it catching you there, you just ensure you take something and then, or you can take the size of stop loss and then you do what? You leave the rest to run. Okay. We have this high here. The market took the high, the low. Okay. Yeah. So just ensure if you have not subscribed, maybe you are still around and you have not subscribed, ensure you do that. And ensure you do that. Okay. Yeah, that candle is possibly giving us a continuation. So for the rest of the profit that are still remaining, there's some confidence there. Let's just to wait for it to remain. So we want the market to manipulate the Asian low. That's where we are going. Okay. And then we can see from that point where the market will really be heading towards. But that's what we are looking forward for. We are in this channel, the market has manipulated. Okay, now the market, TP1 has been hit already. We are now going to the last TP. So I believe you have taken that TP1 there. You ensure you take it because here, though it is showing some red candles, it can do some reversals briefly before we continue. Tariran. Okay. You can see that it's not a must for it to come up there. The best thing is that as long as you have taken that first profit, we will be waiting something like a king briefly and then you continue. But if you can accommodate that stop loss, no problem. It's okay because when you take TP1, maybe you can take the one similar to your stop loss or more so that you leave the rest to run. I'd given you those tricks on my TikTok live, so at least you understand more about it. Guys, like the live. If you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe. Ensure you subscribe. We make money together. We make money for free, guys, you know. Always. Ed Traders with you here. Analysis together and trading together live. As simple as that. Okay. Let me know what you think on the charts, guys. Let me know what you think on the charts. I can see people, I speak was saying adjust volume, it's a bit lower. I think right now the volume possibly is right. Taz is saying good morning, sir. Good morning to you. Hope you're doing great. Gordon is saying, are you speaking because I'm not hearing anything? Confirm right now, Gordon. Are you hearing me still? Sound is just a bit better now. That's the collector. Thank you. Weasley is saying check out GU briefly. You want me to check out GU? GU. What's happening with that guy? Okay, don't worry. Right now we are still on gold session. Yep. Yeah, so we are still going down. That's where we are going. We are going to the Asian low, okay? So that TP1 is locked. Just we wait for the TP2 to be locked. Step by step. Uh-huh. Yeah, how can I share that account with you now? Okay. That's a good profit. And sure you grab that. And sure you grab some money. As we go. It's all about making money, you know. It's all about making some money. Okay. It's all about making some money. Tantaran. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so let's see what's popping. What's popping here? For those who are on my TikTok right now, TikTok live, and sure you go to YouTube, okay? We are now on YouTube. YouTube. For those who are still holding, no problem. You know the zone, the zone was up here, okay? That was our zone. So these are just retracement here, up and down. Okay. Our zone is supposed to be. So we were supposed to go directly like this, okay? After bounce like this, and then we go. Tariran, tan, taran, tan, tan. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. So we see what gold is doing, what gold is doing, what gold is doing, what gold is doing. Okay, 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 okay. Let me try to open it and see whether you guys you can be able to see that account. Let me check. You know, I wanted to share with that account with you so that when I trade that small account, at least you'll be able to see exactly what's going on. I told you the other day that I would be doing such kind of a thing. Maybe the only thing that possibly maybe the things like the prop, maybe I can just do it on TikTok. But these accounts here, I'll just be, if I get time, maybe I'm with you here, we'll just be trading them together. We see how we are getting some profits or losses in real time. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so gold right now seems to be building. In the lower time frame, you can see it is consolidating there, possibly preparing to push a bit up. Possibly, yeah. Maybe. Let's see. Okay. We are waiting for the real trade down here. Okay. This is just a scalp session. So I think maybe I can just leave this scalp session briefly. So this is what you can do. Ensure you take the profits that you are taking first. The rest, you can decide to break even or move out briefly, okay? Let's wait for the real guy because the real guy, the real trade is supposed to, after the manipulation of Asian law, that's when we get the trade, okay? The real trade is supposed to be a sell, by the way, but I think first the market will manipulate Asian law, trade a bit higher, maybe to something like around this zone here. After that, you will see the price again retracing down. Okay, so today as a day, my point is that today is a sell. It's supposed to be a sell day, okay? But there are things in between that I'm expecting the price to come, take the Asian low, blah, 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 move to the upside, such kind of a thing. And those are the things that at the moment we are trading, okay? Those are the things that we are trading right now. Those are the things that we be trading here. Uh, tariran, tan, 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 tan. So guys, leave a like, guys. Leave a like if you're around. Ensure you leave a like, guys, to the channel so that we'll be able to, this channel at least can grow, you know. Just leave a like, guys, leave a like. Yeah, Cordon, that's true. Yeah, exactly. I think I did not see the comment. You said that, is this a short-term sell to go to the buy bullish side? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. Although you don't know to what extent this price can manipulate Asian low in case if that will happen. So that sell maybe can persist for some time, you know. You can see the cells maybe trying to persist, maybe because manipulating the Asian law, maybe it might not just come up boom just like that. You'll see it doing something down there before we come to the upside. Okay, but that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's possibly doing something down there, and then we continue to the upside. So guys, if you're around, just ensure you leave a like, guys. Leave a like, leave a like, leave a like, guys. You know, just one tap, boom, then you're done. No, these are not the same with TikTok. TikTok, you have to double tap, triple tap. This one is just once, boom, and then awesome. Yeah, so I think we'll be waiting for that. If you are in the cell, ensure as we go, you know this is a scalp. Ensure we take the profit here and there, you know, because the mission is to reach the Asian low down there. So you take in the profit as we go because the price can misbehave in between whatever it is. When the price reach, because now it has hit TP1, it is consolidating around that zone. Whatever you got, you take, because in case even if it returned to an entry point, at least maybe you can consider things something like a re-entry, but not you going back to losses. Okay. You can see some strong retracement up. And sure, when you have something there, you grab it, you grab the profit, you grab that. Let me check other platform. I see what they are really doing. Okay. What are they really doing? Mhm. Boom, big retracement. That's why I'm telling you guys, you ensure you take something. Okay. See such kind of strong retracement up. So let me just see again what it can do. So just ensure you are out with the profits, whatever it is you have. We see in case if it will be able to give us another re-entry or what. So let's check something like 15 minutes. What's really happening in the 50-minute candle? Yeah, I think this guy is preparing for another sell probably. That low can be manipulated again. It's possibly preparing us for another sell again. Let me check what it is trying to do. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let me watch something briefly on my side. Briefly. Yes, I'll be coming back. I'm coming back in few moments to give you updates on what you're gonna do. Okay. I'm coming in few moments to give you updates on what we're gonna do. That's one is, and then I have 15. Will be 10. Yeah, it will be the next one, possibly. Yeah. Which means this candle has to close fast, but I can see. No. There, took the low. There. Recede down. Let me watch it on 15 minutes, on 3 minutes. Just want to see what's taking place here on 3 minutes time frame. Another sweep to the high. The market coming lower. At least I want to see a break of structure here. Maybe the market coming back. This is yeah, I can see there's another entry that possibly will come around. What I'm seeing. I'm just doing analysis on another screen, okay? So just wait. We can get another re-entry again on sell. So looking on the left, okay, so it will force us again to wait for the next, something like the next 15-minute candle. I think it will be able to tell us a lot. So patience is key. Right now, just wait. Right now, just wait. Right now, just wait. Gold is busting like that. Gold is busting so strongly. That's really awesome. Oh, I thought I was talking. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I'd muted. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. You know, I'd muted, I'd muted, I'd muted. I didn't know. Sorry for that. I had muted. I had muted, okay? Gordon is saying there's a complete different thing happening in your chat. In gold. How? How, Gordon? Uh, maybe is it a delay? What is really happening? This is just the same gold. I don't know. Can someone let me know in the chat? Is there any difference? Anyway, this is gold. I'm using, let me check. This is TradingView. I'm using, let's see. This is, I think this is Awanda, possibly. I think there should not be much deviation as such. Can you see? Can you check and see what's popping? When my price action is going up, US is going down. I think it's just the delay of the video. It's possibly the delay of the video. Yeah, it's just a delay. It's a delay, I think. There's an, let me just set that thing. I think it's a setting on my side. The streaming does not come. Let me place it. Place fixation. Uh, I think it's an aspect of delay. Maybe it's the studio I'm using. I don't know. Possibly. Okay. Let me see whether TikTok will be able to. So now we are waiting for something like a retest. We are waiting for a retest. After that retest, we'll be able to see what to do. But the trade will possibly occur in the next candle, not in the next time, not in this time. Yes, so I hope everything is okay. You're able to hear me. I hope you're able to hear me now. Okay, so can you guys hear my voice? Let me see. Hope I'm audible enough. I hope I'm audible enough. Let me see. Oh, it's clear. Awesome. Thank you. I didn't know that. I've been struggling. Andrew is saying, what's the leverage on that 50 USD account? How long have you been trading? Okay, this 50 USD account I'm using, you'll see it is the Exness account I'm using, that one. I don't know. I wanted to show it here and to trade it live with you, but it is not behaving. I wanted to trade it here, but it's not. I cannot. There's no way I can place it the same as a different screen. Maybe I will see how to do that with my OBS, something of that sort. I just wanted to show you how maybe I'm really approaching small accounts, something like that. It was not 50. It was something like, I think 45. It is not 50. It's 45. Let me try to share. Let me check if it will be able to share here. At least I wanted it to, with these scalpings, at least we take it something like maybe 100 or something of that sort. Maybe if it would, maybe we get some nice entries so that you see my approach or something like that. So leverage for such kind of account, I usually just use I use maximum. I use unlimited. It's crazy, but for $50 account, that's me anyway. I usually don't want to see any issue to do with margin because that's how I approach something like 50 USD account. Although right now I wanted to show you exactly how, personally, there's a reason why maybe I might approach it intensively. But I just wanted to show you how maybe you can trade it scalp it in a more responsible way, possibly. You see? How you calculate your stop losses and things of that sort. Getting in, getting out. But I'm trying to share, but it's coming in, coming off. Or when I share it, I find there's some problems with the live, with the other screen I'm using. So maybe when we come back, we'll see what it is. But I use 1:1 unlimited, Andrew, okay? Which leverage do you use? And how long have you been trading? Right now is about something like 3 years currently. About 3. Okay. Andrew, which leverage do you use? And why do you use, for example, the leverage you use? Although, if you want to use the right leverage for that account, obviously, maybe something like 400, something around that zone, around 400 zone. That's according to my perspective, okay? Around 400 zone. I think lower than that is a bit too much. Other than that, maybe something like 500 can be okay, but you see, but it is what it is, okay? Rupert, Renelli saying USD Joy, interesting. Morning, my bro. Morning to you. How are you doing? Opa. Okay. That's the GPA, guys. Are you trading that USD JPY? What is it doing? I can see you are really pumped up. What is it doing? So this gold will move up again. When it does that, that's when you'll be able to get Andrew. Andrew is saying my leverage is one. Do you mean 1,000? Which broker is that? That HFM or what's the size of your account in HFM? I really would have shown you how maybe I'm trading this account so that you see. Oh, 1:1,000. I see. Yeah, possibly it was that. Yeah, for around 50. I think that's leverage. That's leverage because for me, the reason why I'm doing that sometimes, although during the time of news, or 200 USD, yeah, I think that's okay. That's a nice one. For me, something like 1:200, whatever it is, account around more than 3K, or 1,000 plus around that zone. That's when maybe I use something like that, But for 50 USD, but I'm not saying anyone to copy whatever I'm doing, I'm just having, but I've told you that in case if you're using your account, you want to just go in a modest way, just pick 1:400, whatever it is you choose. But for me, 1:2 unlimited for that account is this what I choose. And even something like 1 is 500, whatever it's even 500 USD, whatever it is, I sometimes go with that, because I think it's one of the things. Guys, our last TP is there. I would have wished to show you how that small account is doing. The last TP is done, guys. The last TP is done. Done and dusted. Guys, done and dusted, guys. Can you tap some fire, guys? Let's go. Now, when we make profit, we are happy, you see? So let's see. Because I'm thinking, at least if this market can do something like a retest to the upside. Oh. Guys, remember to leave a like for me here on this live. Just type on that like button, guys. If you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe so that every single day I'm around, you are able to capture my moves, okay? Leave a like, guys. Just type the like button and let's go. So our last TP is done. Now we are looking for another entry again, okay? I want to show you how we are going to get a re-entry. Now the last TP is done. Robert, you said that you wanted me to check on USD JPY. Don't worry, I'll just check on it. Let's just work on gold right now. Okay. Let's work on this guy first. The moment you're done with gold, so our last TP is hit already. Yeah, this is how we had placed the trade. For those who are wondering, this is how we had placed the trade. Our last TP was supposed to be here. We had our stop loss at this. I think, yeah, it was this high. This was our stop loss. So now we have our last TP hit. This is how we had placed this trade. Our last TP scalp is hit. So now we are expecting. Now, I don't think if it will be advisable for you to continue selling. I think this market is supposed to give us something like a bounce up, which I'm watching right now. Something like a bounce up, and then we get it. Done. Baby, let's go. Awesome. So let's see if maybe it will give us something like a bounce up, and then we see whether we get it. Ensure you use good risk management, guys. Okay? Ensure you use good risk management so that we see what's popping. Yesterday, you were able to make some good profits. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Let's check. We still have something. We still have some time. Let's check. What is this one? This is, I think this is worth taking. So I just want to see how the market is gonna behave here. See the break. So now we'll be waiting for a retest now. Then we continue with the cells. The cells can continue. There's a high chance the cells can continue. So we'll just be waiting for some retest here. Rupert is saying we will meet the devil today. For me, I don't want to meet the devil. Why should I? Rupert, you want us to meet the devil? Huh? Why should we meet him? Huh? We want gold to move smoothly. We want things to go well, you know. Let's just move. Let me just adjust it like this. So we will be waiting for a price action up again. We'll be waiting for a price to bounce to the upside, and then we see how we getting in again. Okay. Okay. We see what's popping. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait some time, and then we see whether we'll be able to do something. I'll be back, guys. Yeah, so let's move back to TikTok, guys. I'm shifting there. Shifting there briefly. At least we have got our first trade here. Now we can maybe take the next one on TikTok live. And then maybe we see how the day will end. Okay. So I'll just be closing this YouTube live. I'm moving back to TikTok. Yeah, so let's meet on TikTok. We see whether we'll be able to continue with the trade. Okay.